So, when I got tagged for this video,
and I'm going to tag Evolution of a Homestead.
I thought, great, I'll just wait till the snow thaws and I'll do my video in my garden. And it snowed again. So, I'm doing a snowy Why Do I Garden video. This is my garden. I've just always really liked gardening. I don't know why. I think because my brain is so crazy all the time. The only time it takes a pause is if I'm like mowing or weeding or something like that. It was probably one of my top 2 or 3 hobbies since I was a kid. They asked me why I YouTube. Well, this is kind of the reason. I wouldn't normally be outside on a day like today. But since there's things to do and we're more used to the outside now, so YouTube keeps me up on my projects where I would normally just wait till another year.
This is what you need to plow a snowfield.
I have pictures of me playing in the garden my mom had when I was a toddler. The earliest memories I have of a garden when I'm a little older is my great grandma had an apartment complex. They had a little garden plot, and I remember seeing wax beans for the first time because I'd never had them before, and I thought something was wrong with them because they were yellow instead of green. I've been gardening since I was a kid. I don't really remember much time when we didn't have a garden since I was about, I don't know, 9, 10 years old. My dad always kind of started it, and my mom too, and then I was the weed eater, not the weed eater, the weeder and maintainer of the garden and helped with harvest and stuff. I've just always really enjoyed it, except for picking rows and rows of green beans, but I'm sure I'm not the only one on that.
My daddy used to garden with his grandma.
Do you like gardening?
Yes.
Are you gonna be my big garden helper this year?
Yep. My favorite part's planting the seeds. My favorite part's shoveling.
Cool. It's so windy. Maybe this was a bad idea. I really like growing winter squash, although my mom grows it the best of anybody I know. Tomatoes, I've always really done that so I can can them. Pretty much plant just a little bit of everything and try something new every year. I planted asparagus last summer and hoping it comes up this spring. I planted the crowns, so that's another new thing we tried. I just ordered some fruit trees and an almond tree, so that'll be something new. We have 2 apple trees that we've had for 2 years, so we're just getting into like the more perennial type foods. I don't know if I really have a favorite. It's probably the thing that turns out the best that year. And also my favorite thing to do is to try new things. So this year, I know a lot of people have grown garlic before and I never have, so that's my new thing of the year. Well, I hope you enjoyed this ironic snow video about my garden. My phone ran out of battery and baby woke up. But the snow is thawing and the birds are coming out. Anyways, we still have to tag people. So thanks to Farmer G. This was fun, challenging in the snow. Is it windy out here, baby? It's windy. Yeah, we better go in. Thanks and happy gardening! So as you can see, the snow melted and it's a couple weeks later. I planted, that's a pear tree, and I'd like to tag the Little Whitehouse. He also has a channel called Planting Seeds for Life. A lot of the things on his channel are just wise words, and he's got back to Eden style gardening and really an eye for nature. I don't know if you can see my garlic sprouts. So I'd like to tag Suttons Daze. She does a lot of canning and food preparation, and also I know she was starting some seeds, so she really helped inspire me to clean out my cupboards and get rid of the stuff I didn't need in there. So she's got a really cool channel. Something I wanted to say about Papa's Hobby Homestead is he's got ducks and a really cool raised bed garden. So I'm anxious to see what that's going to be like this year. It's really windy again. You're trying to hide in your camo pants?
Oh yeah, hide upside down, then they can see if you're camera pants.
Well, he's going to get wood chips in his hair now.
Yeah.
You already had dirt in your hair this week?
Yesterday. That's wood down.
I wanted to tag Homestead Dad. He's somebody we met at the Pratt's family Homestead Hootenanny. And so he started a garden this year because he took a break last year. And he's got a really cool makeshift greenhouse he's trying out. So another channel I really like is Backyard Eden. They are really gung-ho about planting and seeds and gardening. So I'll put a link to all these down at the bottom, and also the 5 questions. Hope you can check out these channels, and I look forward to enjoying their videos too. So this is the garden after everything thawed out. Put the chickens to work in it this spring.
We're gonna tag Papa.
Hobby Homestead.
Hobby Homestead.
Can you say Homestead, Dad?
Yes. Homestead.
Thank you.